good, everybody? Good Millhouse here again with another video. I am trying to pump it up to 2 videos a week, and I think I'm doing good. I think I'm doing well. Please let me know. Am I doing well? How's my content going? I don't know. Yeah. If you guys check my Etsy store, you can find my stickers, my beanie, and any other apparel stuff there. Maybe that's still debating in the future time, but. I like to craft and make stuff at home, and people have been asking me how I make my stickers, and it's actually a lot easier than you think, and you guys can do it too, and there's really nothing to it. All you need to do is buy a certain set of glossy paper. This is the box where my paper came in. It's actually sticker photo paper. It's 8.5 by 11 white glossy water resistant paper. I print all my stickers out and I cut them with my Cricut cutter. So I will be showing you guys the process on doing that, so you guys can open up your own Etsy store and maybe make some side money with your art. Are you guys excited? You guys should be, because in my first month I would not have believed that I would have made so much on Etsy because of the search algorithm, and after a while, I will be moving myself away from Etsy, because Etsy takes cuts and shares, and you want to be 100% owner of everything. You want to make most of the profit. You don't want to have the middleman to make most of the profit for you. But hey, if you're just starting off and you want to start making yourself some little bit, scratch on the side, there's no shame in it. It's very easy to do, and I can show you guys how to do it too.
Okay, so first things first, this is my printer that I'm using for today's video. I got this Canon Pro 100 because I want to make prints as my artwork as well. And then also I was like, oh, I can make stickers with this as well. I can make stickers with it as well. So I got the Canon Pro 100. This is very expensive. I probably spent about $800, but you don't need a Canon printer. You don't need the world's most expensive printer. Any printer at your house will probably do. Laser inkjet will probably do just as fine. And to cut my stickers, I am actually using the Cricut Explore Air 2. It's okay. I don't have any big complaints. I just have complaints with the Cricut program itself, but other than that, it is what it is. But it's still better than cutting out all the stickers by hand, because just look how thin my white lines for the stickers, they're really thin. I don't think I could have done this by hand. I am not that patient to do all that. And this is how clean it is. So if you don't have one, it's okay, you don't need it, but if you do, yeah, that'd be great. But I've seen people who cut stickers with by hand, and then if I hit it, I think this is the funnest part about it. Boom. I need to still add more stickers on it. Still trying to personally add my own touch to it. Here you got your little storage components for let's say if you have blades, replacement blades, you can put them here. And I just use some of my peeling tools in here. I don't have a lot of tools. I don't think I need much, but you can put all your extra tools in there. Then over here you have your little storage compartment for your pens. If you have a box cutter, I guess a box cutter. But that's all you need, really. And then if you have a laptop or a PC like I do, then you can just make all that stuff. And don't ask me about why I have my stream up.
Okay, so I'm on my desktop and I'm just going to activate Cricut. I already have it pinned to my taskbar because these are the apps I mostly use daily. Since I'm using multiple monitors, I have my Cricut app just pop in random ass monitor or whatever. And I think for this video, I'm going to print out some new stickers I haven't made yet. I already have a couple files on here, and I already have test pages for all of them. Let's use this one. I want to go to customize, and the only reason why I want to use this one because I already have it set up for the dimensions of where it's going to be and where it's going to cut. For this dimension of the square,
you're gonna have to knead it by 6.75 by 9.25. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to upload. You can see all the stickers I've made so far. Drag in my Hizuka. I'm gonna go for complex because it's fine detail, blend colors, and all that stuff. All right, I'm gonna hit continue. And you gotta make sure again, like just no dots in any of these, as in like missing pixels or whatever within inside your silhouette, because your Cricut machine will cut that spot and your stickers will look kind of goofy. So professionalism is where we're trying to go. All right, so I'm gonna upload my Hizuka to my thing. I'm gonna go to insert image, and I'm gonna scale them down. You can either unlock it and you can freeform add in the inputs up here, but I just rather just scale it manually like this, and it will tell you the dimensions on the sides here. So I want this to be at least 3 inches at least. Maybe if I scale it back down to like say 2.5 by 3.6, because he is a fairly wide boy, a tall boy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna duplicate this, and I'm gonna keep on doing that too, because if you don't duplicate it and combine them together, the issue is that it will print individually when you send it to the printer. Okay. Duplicate, drop this down. There's some other ways how you can fit more stickers onto a page. There's a bunch of hacks out there too, like tricking the printer to like cut out full pages just to save you on paper. But this is just like, this is what I know so far as of just trying to get the most. So let me duplicate this and see if we can just fit. Hit. Oh, did we get him? Did we get him? Oh no, we did not. So what I like to do is like, I'm just gonna rotate them up a bit. Bam! Look at that. We just fit a 5th one in there, so that's still pretty good. So I'm gonna go over here, or I can just click on each of these. This is what I really like doing. I click on all of them. Make sure that they're all highlighted here on the right hand side. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna hit flatten. So it's there, it's permanent. It's not permanent because you can always unflatten them, but it's gonna print them out all. They're gonna print them all out, and they're not gonna be on different pages or anything like that. I'm gonna turn off my square because the Cricut program will assume that I'm also trying to cut out a square too. So just turn that off. I'm gonna make it, and you can move it however you want. It's not like a lot of wiggle room here, but it's pretty okay. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. I'm gonna hit continue. I'm gonna send it to my printer. All right. I don't add a bleed to it because I already added my own little bleed, which would be like the white outline behind it. I never use the bleed. The added bleed actually makes it a lot worse. So I'm gonna turn off the bleed. I'm always make sure I have my system dialog up because I have multiple printers, and I'm making sure that I got my Canon Pro 100. Make sure you always go to your preferences, then make sure that you have it set on glossy paper, which it is. I have my quality high because it's a Canon Pro 100. It better be high, right? I'm gonna go to print. So as it's printing, I made up my own materials for like how hard. Oh, I forgot something here. What I need to do, I need to open my printer up. The tray just told me I had to open up the tray. I totally forgot about the tray. Now it's gonna print. For you to cut it, you have a bunch of pressures here. You can go to popular here and then pick whatever, or there's like a little dial on the Cricut to set it. I can put that on different videos as well. I've already had my pressure and everything set up. Get good LD heavy stock glossy paper. And then once we're done, we're going to be cutting them out. Okay, so I have my cutting board and my Hisoka down. Just need to peel off this protective paper or the plastic. And then what you want to do is whenever you put this on the Cricut cutting board, you got to make sure you line it up to the corners. I try to be very precise with it because I don't like when there's errors or anything along with my cuts. So I try to get it on very, very precisely. Since it's glossy paper, the Cricut sensor is not going to catch the line here, because what the Cricut does, it uses the sensor to understand the measurements of where everything is. My suggestion is to use Scotch tape. It's like a matte Scotch tape to tape around all the black borders so the Cricut scanner can actually scan it and actually cut it properly. Because even if it does scan all the way, the problem is, like, let's say the scan is finished, right? It will, oh my God, it will destroy your sticker. Like, it will cut all wrong. So make sure you put the Scotch tape all around it. All right, yeah. Every now and then when I forget about putting on this matte Scotch tape onto the borders, I always have like some type of really bad, it's like just really bad. Like, it just cuts it all fucked up. And you don't want that to happen. Because I hate wasting paper, I hate wasting ink. Because all that stuff is money, you know? The light is blinking for the input. I'm gonna press it. So it's now already fed in. Now press the cut button. And right now it's going to be doing a scanning. And I'm gonna go in my little compartment. Got one of my tools. This is like a little palette brush that I have for whenever I paint, but it's also great for putting off these stickers. Ooh. And after, I can just go on, use my phone for later, take some nice cool little photos of these stickers here and just put them up on my Etsy store. And you guys get yourself a little sticker.
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz that all the other YouTubers say. Share this video to a friend that is an artist, and maybe this video can help them as well. If you guys want to support me at home and get yourself some anime merch and stuff like that, you can go down to my Etsy store, and the links will be down in the descriptions below. And thank you guys for watching the video. Remember, you guys are improving. You guys are getting better every day because you guys are choosing to do something about it today. And just the fact to just reaffirm this to you, you are actually looking and watching my video on trying to make yourself better. So therefore, you are getting better because you're making that choice to get better. So even though progress is hard to see at the moment, in the long, like, grand scheme of things, you might not see it now, you will see it later. Trust. You guys have a good evening.